Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about magnet and types of magnets. Let's start the topic. Now, define what is magnet. An magnet which is capable of producing magnetic field and attracting unlike pole and repelling like pole is called magnet. In a picture we see that bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, cylindrical magnet, ring magnet, spherical magnet. Here we see bar magnet and compass. Now we show magnetic field line around bar magnet. Here we see magnetic line around bar magnet. We move compass around it. It feel magnetic force like this. Okay. We know that magnets have been used for thousands of years. However, it was only in the 16th that scientists start studying how they work. Even today, physicists don't have all the answers about the mechanism behind magnetism. Now study about types of magnet. There are three types of magnets and they are as follows. First, permanent magnet. Permanent magnets are materials where the magnetic field is generated by the internal structure of the material itself and they do not lose their magnetic property once they are magnetized. These are also classified in two types: natural magnets, artificial man-made magnets. Natural magnets: roadstone, peritite, columbite, basalt. And artificial magnets we see in the form of bar magnet, cylindrical magnet and circular magnet. Next, temporary magnet. Temporary magnets can be magnetized in the presence of magnetic field. When the magnetic field is removed, these materials lose their magnetic property. Iron nails and paper clips are example of the temporary magnet. We can say that temporary magnet retain their magnetism only for a short time or until kept under a external magnetic field. Third type, electromagnets. Electromagnets consist of coil of wire wrapped around the metal core made from iron. When this material is exposed to an electric current, the magnetic field is generated, making the material behave like a magnet. The strength of magnetic field can be controlled by controlling the electric current and number of turns of coil. And we can say that when current passes through a conductor, a magnetic field produced around it. This is seen in a picture. Electromagnets. The main difference between magnetism and electromagnetism is the addition of electricity. Adding electricity to a magnet can change the way the metal behaves when compared to a permanent magnet, like a refrigerator's magnet. It is easy to make an electromagnet yourself using a few common household items. Now, properties of magnet. Following are the basic properties of magnet. First, when a magnet is dipped in an iron filling, we can observe that the iron filling cling to the end of the magnet as the attraction is maximum at the end of the magnet. These ends are known as poles of the magnets. Magnet have two poles, south pole and north pole. Magnetic poles always exist in a pairs. This is seen in a picture. Third, whenever a magnet is suspended freely in mid-air, it always points towards north-south direction pole pointing towards geographical north is known as North Pole, and the pole pointing towards geographical south is known as South Pole. Like poles repel while unlike poles attract. The magnetic force between the two magnets is greater when the distance between these magnets are lesser. Now, types of magnetic materials. First, diamagnetic materials. These materials are magnetized when placed in magnetic field. Example, gold, water and mercury. Second, paramagnetic materials. In these materials, the magnetic dipole in the magnetic materials tends to lie along the applied magnetic field and thus reinforcing the applied magnetic field. Such substances are attracted by a magnet if it applies a sufficiently strong field. Example, liquid oxygen, sodium, platinum, salts of iron and nickel. Third, ferromagnetic materials. We are most familiar with these materials as they exhibit the strongest magnetic behavior. Iron, cobalt, nickel, neodymium and their alloys are usually high ferromagnetic and are used to make permanent magnets. Now we show types of magnetic material in 3D diagram. First, diamagnetic materials. Diamagnetic materials are weakly repelled by magnets. Many common materials that the non-scientific community calls non-magnetic are actually diamagnetic, such as wood, water and copper. Next, ferromagnetic. Ferromagnetic materials are materials normally thought of as magnetic, attracted to magnets. These metals can also become magnets themselves. Next, paramagnetism. Paramagnetic materials are slightly and temporarily attracted to one pole of magnets. Such materials include sodium, tin and aluminium. Now study about use of magnet. Following are the uses of magnets. First, magnets are used to constructing magnetic needles and compass. Second, permanent magnets find application in generators, electric accelerators and electric motors. Third, electromagnets find application in speakers, electric bell and electric cranes. Fourth, magnets are used for the separation of iron filling from other solid mixture. This is all about magnet and types of magnet. I hope you understand about the topic. Study with the help of this video. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.